Hey everybody, this is Evil Crossover back with another review video. This is for the Bomidi spin mop. So they provided this for a review. So shout out to them for providing me with this unit. So the Bomidi comes with the spin mop bucket. And this is going to be another piece that goes in here to help with the spinning of the mop. We got the handle that we're going to build and put together. Also, this is the part that goes on the end of that handle for the spin mop. So we're going to attach that to the spin mop. And then it comes with also some more pads. So we definitely got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 extra pads that are washable. So 6 altogether. So let's get this Bomidi put together and let's check it out with the cleaning. So we have the handle now put together, and look how long the handle is on the mop. So we'll be back showing you where to put the water in, and then we'll get to the cleaning. So for the Bomidi, there's 2 ways to pour in the water. One's going to be in this little hole here, or you can just pour it right into this area here. This is where all the clean water is going to be in. So we're going to pour it in to this little hole here. So it's going to be actually good to have a little pitcher here, so you can just throw it right in. And look at that, it's going right in there. As you can see, it's going right in down there. So we're back with the cleaning. So all the water gets filled through here, like I said before, and it fills up this whole area here. So once we start pushing down with the spin mop, it's going to discrete and bring out all the dirty water on the edges here. So this fills up about 10 cups of water if you're doing like a little measuring cup like I was doing. But you can actually just try to pour just right into here if it's faster for you. Alright, so in order to get this wet, we gotta make sure this is open, and we're just gonna push down a few times. So it tells you to do it about 4 to 5 times to get it wet, and then you can go ahead, lock it back up, and now the mop head is wet. Alright, so let's wipe this now with this brush. Oh, look at that dirty spot already getting clean. Wow, it's pretty fast with this nice microfiber cloth. And then we'll just put it back in the bucket. Go ahead and get it all wet again. Alright, so we're gonna get this wet again. And while it's getting wet, it's actually cleaning the brush here. There's a little thing down here that cleans the brush while you push it. And that's it. See all the water here now? All dirty water in there. Spread to the side. And we go ahead and clean again. This is the conclusion of the review of the Bomidi spin mop and bucket. Definitely check it out. And I'll catch you guys on the next review.